It's not for anything. It's to let everybody know that if you sent today and I told you that you didn't, I'm sorry. I didn't know that if you did or didn't. I still don't know. And that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Probably because I'm dehydrated. Yeah, I don't have any. That's who they are. Nobody. Nobody. When you look at screenshots, it's not good enough. I've been tired of this. Just if you can help with food or the morning. Lisa Richard 875, friends and family, please. I don't know. Not talking to anybody about that. I'm just upset. I'm so tired of getting fucking stolen from me. I should have known better than everybody who sent today sent not friends and family. That didn't make any sense at all. Walked all that fucking way, dude. And don't have no food. And people, I think people helped. I really fucking do. It's my own fault. I don't even do that. I go to the clinic. Like, I don't even do that. Like, what's going on is I'm trying to get money for food, to order something, and I'm trying to get for the morning so I don't have to go on. And I'm going to figure out the rest of it before I say what I need to say and do what I need to do. I don't do them either, but whatever. I know I did. But it's been happening, though. It's been fucking happening. It was good. Nope. All I have is PayPal, Lisa Richard, 875, friends and family, so I can see what's going on because there's no way. There's no way. It's so fucked up what happened today. And I'm sitting here with nothing. Turned your phone off. Payback's a bitch, though. I know. I got the screenshots. You stole. You fucking stole. You was shit, bro. I did. That's why I made Lisa Richard 875. Well, yeah, they do, because people get on here and they lie. And they say, oh, I sent this and I sent that and I did this and I did that, and they don't. But some of them do. So I don't ever know what's what or who's who. And then they got to report all my shit and mess up all my stuff. And I never know what's going on. So yeah, that's why I get stolen from by different people, yes. That's not my fault, though. You sent 243 and a dead squirrel. Alright, thank you. I do not have cigarettes. I do not have food. I do not have anything. And I had to walk. It's fucked up, bro. That's why I have only PayPal Lisa Richard 875. That's it. If anybody can help, because in the morning nobody feels like getting on and putting up with all this abuse before they go toast. I'm being very honest, actually. I called it out. I knew it. I called it out. And thank you to the people who sent the screenshots to my email. If you send anything today, please send the screenshots to my email. The LisaHarvey@gmail.com. I didn't get to use it, but yeah. If they sent anything earlier, at any time today when I was on all day saying, please help me, 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 and I'm still sitting here with no fucking food, no smokes, and no ride for the morning to the clinic, and no money. So, and their fucking phone's off. It keeps messing around. I guess it's a fucking game. It's my fault, okay? I don't know if that's my fault, but so yeah, PayPal Lisa Richard 875. Friends and family only, please. If you do want to send anything to PayPal, that's mine. It doesn't matter whose fault it is. I've taken accountability 1,000 times. It doesn't matter whose fault it is, though. It doesn't matter. Like, what the fuck? Who cares? Who cares right now? Like, not even when I'm upset. That's it. I need to figure this out and fast. And instead of figuring it out when you just be quiet, Lisa, for right now. Be quiet, please. Trying to get money for food and a ride in the morning. A pen. But they're gonna say whatever they want. In a minute, it'll be rugs. I don't care what they say. They're not here to help. They're here to just put me down. So I don't care. I don't care. It wasn't a 20-minute walk. In the morning, I do. Not right now, I don't. Not right now, I don't. But I do need something to eat. What was that? Who's doing that? Hold on, I gotta get this person. But it's not, though. It's 11 something at night. It's not for that at all. At all. Lisa Richard 875 is the PayPal, friends and family, whoever just asked. Lisa Richard 875, it's in the sticker right there. I can't believe it. I thought that was gonna clear. You took it off. You took it off. Why? You fucking lied to me. Why? I'm gonna have to find it. Okay, his name's number. But I'm hungry. I'm turning these comments off. These fucking dickheads are always in here. Bunch of dickheads. Let's fucking block these dickheads that don't help. Lisa Richard 875. PayPal, friends and family, so I can order something to eat. And fucking get a lift in the morning without having to come on here and deal with this crap at fucking 7 a.m. And I'm sorry today if I fucking said you didn't send. I didn't know. I took my money and did that, man. You fucking bitch. Lisa Richard, no S, 875, PayPal, only friends and family. I'm blocking. Because they're not helping, they're just talking shit. I don't need that. Oh, they want to sit here and laugh at me. Go make another page and laugh. It's on the sticker. That's all I have is PayPal. That's it. That is it. That is it. That is it. I'm fucking shook, bro. Turned it off, too. Wow. That's fucking wild, bro. It's alright, though. Just go home hungry like I always do. And fucking walk, I guess, again tomorrow or not toast. One or the other. No, it's Lisa Richard 875. I hope it went to the other PayPal. Just give me a minute to figure it out. But I pretty much figured it out with the people that sent the screenshots. So. I guess I'm gonna go to bed hungry. And wow. And wake up and walk or not go even doze. I'm so sick of it. Might not even go at all. Lisa Richard 875. It's on the sticker. PayPal, friends and family, please. If you're gonna help. If not, and just fucking stare like you always do. Fucking weirdo. Like to see people upset. You're weird. All of that today. All of that today. I can't believe it. Fucking shocked. I don't know why I actually let shit shock me anymore, honestly. Well, even yesterday I bet too. Bitch. So yeah, guys, the PayPal's Lisa Richard 875. Friends and family. No chime. Do not send a chime. Do not send to anything but the PayPal. Nothing. Facebook Pay is mine. The Facebook is mine. That's me. That's mine. So Facebook Pay goes right to my debit card. And Lisa Richard 875 PayPal, mine. Nothing else. Okay? I'm gonna go start.